Welcome everyone. Today we have we're up at Momma Taz's mom's log decks. As you can see, they cut up some of her firewood. Get that started. It's that time of year, right? It was like 36 degrees or something this morning. So anyway, we Momma Taz is up here today with us, and she's gonna run the F-bomb saw from Aaron Lynch, and probably the stock 500i, and I'll be running the Aaron Lynch ported 500i again. They all have 28-inch bars on them. The stock 500i has hand filed full house 28-inch, and the F-bomb has hand filed 28-inch full house, and the ported 500i has a stock still RS33 round ground from the factory, all factory. I haven't touched nothing. We're just going to see what it does. I'm testing more on the RPMs, and the four stroke's not there. It just holds the higher RPM even with a not super aggressive chain, not their factory chain. They're sharp, they'll cut, but they're not as sharp as my hand file. I can hand file better, sharper than a stock chain. So I'm testing that, and it'll be probably the last stock chain that gets run on that saw. But we're gonna run them and get Momma Taz some saw time, and get some more tanks of fuel through that F-bomb saw. That saw is strong, Aaron. It is super strong, super strong. Loving it, loving the way that it's working out, and Momma Taz is liking it too, and I think she's gonna like running it. She hasn't run it yet with a real sharp chain on it, and yeah, so we're getting with it. All right, everybody, we'll see you on the log deck. Hope you're all having a great day, and we love you, and I appreciate you, and welcome to all the new subscribers. I love it. I love seeing it come in. We're doing great. Momma Taz with a sharp chain. Here we go. Ready? Let her eat. On three, on three. All right, let's run this 500i, cut this log that's up here on the deck, get it off there. It's got some rot on it, so we're gonna get rid of it. This is stock chain. This is the only cutting I'm gonna do with this 500i with this stock chain. I ran it in some of this harder wood, and it's hard dry wood. It's not, I don't like it, stock. I don't like stock chain, I don't like it. But we're gonna run it. We're gonna run it just for one last RPM check, okay? That's it. Momma Taz just doing awesome. I love it. That saw is unreal. Unreal. Aaron, I can't say it enough, buddy. That thing is amazing. Momma Taz is camera shy. What? Flawless. I mean, flawless. Even throttle jockeying, right? It's just still just right there. Whack, whack, whack. Good tune. Right on, brother.